day. See my chickies once again. The chickie elders watching me. You guys ready to eat? Ready to eat? There are some pine nuts. Roasted tasty pine nuts. Oh no, what you doing? Aren't you guys eating them? Pick the ones that they can eat. This is how Chickie Mommy is sharing her love. I like it how Chickie Mommy just like picks some to the ground and then she starts chunking them all. Maybe not. She's just trying to feed some bad ones and then leave the good ones for the chickies, aren't you? Aren't you sacrificial for your little kitties? Oh no, you're eating them all. What you doing? You're supposed to leave some for the chickies. Now we have so little. Don't eat them all. Give it to your little chickies. Please. Ouch. Okay, you can see where. Is there any more? I mean, maybe you can see. Usually when they're smaller, they have sharper eyesight. With sharper eyesight, they can see a little finer food. Able to eat. Alright, now you guys are just picking from the ground. Little chickie keep fighting for the little piece that they can't easily digest, but they know it's nutritious. I guess it's a good way for them to protect, improve their eyesight. Aren't you guys? That little one, the yellow one, looks like a little squirrel. The brown one, little squirrely. She's so chubby, isn't she? Aren't you so chubby? What's up? What's up? Want some more? Gotta ask nicely. What, right, T? I think Belly last night kind of slept here. Made a huge mess. Kind of pooped here. Might have to clean this out. I have to make a bird fountain. Let's see. No birdies. What's up? What you doing? Oh, here's little shower place. You guys want to know fun facts? A truth, well, a secret that was in the front all these times. Now let's go find it out. Let's see from our Pan Meow. If I can catch her. Pan Meow, come on. Come on. Yeah. Maybe not her anymore. I'll just catch a little one. Let us take a guess. How many toenails do they have? Let's count. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Wait, there's supposed to be a sixth one. But let's see the right side. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, 5. How about you? Let's see. And now see you have 1, 2, 3, and 4. Oh, you're so used to me now, little fry. Aren't you just the cutest girl? Are you? Are you so cute? You're just gonna sleep here? Be so chill, aren't ya? Yeah, there's a difference between how many toenails they have, or toes they have, depending on the species. Here you go. It's also cool when they grow up to see how big their fifth toe is. Normally they just have 4. Like 1, 2, 3 in the front and then 1 in the back. But some of them have adapted. Well, some species of chickies have adapted to get rid of that. I mean, like to get an extra one for some reason. Those the black ones, the darker skinned ones. But all in all, they kind of grow the 5th one on the back of their. Actually, let me check. 1, 2, 3, 4. Actually, no. It's just like they all kind of grow 4. And some males will have a talon, like a long, thick spur. Oh, she can fly on their legs. What you guys gonna do? I like how they're just destroying the grass. I mean, sadly, that's the only natural toy that they get to play with. Here's the Chickie Alders, one of my favorite ones. She's having such a cute bath. Oh gosh, can't focus on it. Yep, there we go. How are you? Enjoying yourself there? Or you're just in shock of me, of us watching you while you take a shower? You're just resting. Now you guys see. Alright, back to the smaller chicks. Oh, I guess they're kind of tired. Alright, see you guys tomorrow, and I'll bring out more toys for you guys to play next time. And maybe milk. Some fun dairy for you guys to drink on. For extra protein, right? You guys gonna be big, strong girls. Alright? Especially you, Smiley. I'm looking at you. Oh, you run so fast. Almost can't catch you. Alright, see you guys. Have fun.